Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at new Enchantimals for ages 4 and up. There are so many new characters in the world of Enchantimals, including several underwater friends and new playsets, like this ice cream truck called Wheel Frozen Treats. We found this at Toys R Us for $25.99. On the back of the box, it says, Enchantimals, caring is our everything. Meet the Enchantimals, a group of loving girls who share a special bond with their animal friends. There is a large picture of the playset. On the side of the box, we get to learn about Prina Penguin and Jayla. Prina is the coolest of all the Enchantimals, and her friends know when they hear her ice cream truck coming that there will be frozen treats for everyone. Let's get this out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, we get Prina Penguin and her bestie Jayla. She stands a little over 6 inches tall, has black hair with a pink hair bow, a painted top, an ice cream and sprinkles printed skirt with an elastic waistband, and she wears orange penguin shoes that can be removed. However, if you balance her just right, those shoes help her to stand. She has movement at the head, shoulder, hip, and knee. Yay! She has knees! Which will definitely come in handy when trying to drive an ice cream truck. Her bestie Jayla is a cute little penguin that wears a scarf that can be removed. Aw, aren't they adorable? The ice cream truck is a blue penguin igloo. That is a really fun combination. It has yellow snowflake wheels and a waffle cone seat. And the steering wheel really turns. One side of the truck has the menu, and it can fold down to make a counter. There is a sticker of different ice cream flavors and toppings. It comes with an ice cream cone holder that fits right here, and it has 3 little ice cream cones with handles for the dolls to hold. Yum! There are 3 more frozen treats, like ice cream cones and a frozen fish. I'm guessing that one's for Jayla. And there is also a spoon, so Prina can serve her customers. On the other side of the truck, the whole side can be folded down, so Prina can open for business. There is even a small peg on the floor that fits the bottom of the doll's shoe to help her stand. And there are 2 stools with little penguin faces to go out front, so her customers have somewhere to sit to enjoy their ice cream. Now, where to find customers? I guess we better head on over to our Enchantimal Forest. We made our own Enchantimal Forest in a previous video, and it is the perfect place to display all of our Enchantimals. Oh, do you hear that, Bree? It sounds like the ice cream truck! And Preenie is ready to meet some more Enchantimals, like Peaky Parrot, Cherished Cheetah, and Hixby Hedgehog. Together, they live in a fantastical world where fun and adventure are right around the corner. A world where friendship makes anything possible. We found these dolls at Toys R Us for $8.99. This is Peaky Parrot and Shiny. Peaky has a personality as bright and colorful as she is. Peaky and Shiny love to fly through stores looking for fabulous fashions as brightly colored as they are. They are a very colorful pair. Her eye makeup looks like a rainbow of feathers. She has blonde and pink hair, wears a blue feather hairpiece. A floral cape with a fur collar gives the illusion of wings. She has a painted top, a blue and green skirt, and pink parrot shoes. And her parrot Shiny has a little touch of fur right on top of her head. This is Cherished Cheetah and Quick Quick. Cherish can usually be spotted comfortably stretched out in some sunny place enjoying a nap. Cherish and Quick Quick are champions at playing the game of tag, and they both love to be it. Out of the box, I love those bright green eyes, and those cheetah spots are too cute. She has long, caramel-colored hair, a tail. She wears a cheetah print top with a plastic fur collar, a matching cheetah skirt with fur around the edge, and pink shoes. And her little cheetah Quick has orange fur to match. Hixby Hedgehog is the first Enchantimal boy that I have seen, and his friend's name is Pointer, which is very appropriate considering they are hedgehogs. Hixby may look prickly on the outside, but on the inside, he's a true softie. Hixby and Pointer can never pass up a tall, grassy hill without curling up into balls and rolling to the bottom. And he can stand up on his own very well. He has golden, sculpted hair, wears orange glasses, a black vest with a fur collar over a painted shirt. He has sculpted blue sleeves, wears worn blue jeans, and black boots. And Pointer has orange glasses to match. All of these dolls have the basic 5 points of articulation, with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. It looks like Prina Penguin is getting a lot of new business. And you know what goes great with ice cream? How about cupcakes? This is called Baking Buddies. We found it at Walmart for $12.99. This is Petya Pig and Streusel. Petya loves to bake, and her friends always know something hot and fresh is coming from her oven. This playset comes with 2 little pigs. One is wearing a chef's hat, and it can be removed. Petya is also wearing a chef's hat, and she has cute little ears. She has long pink hair, a painted top that looks like part of an apron, and a lavender skirt with a fabric apron attached. She wears pink shoes, has the basic 5 points of articulation, and comes with a yellow and pink stove that has a clock and pig ears. There is a spoon and a spatula that you can hang on the back. She has a plate of cupcakes that can fit inside of the oven. Then she can watch them bake through the little heart-shaped window in the door. While those are baking, let's say hello to Jessa Jellyfish and Marissa, Starling Starfish, and Clarita Clownfish. Let's start with Starling Starfish and Idol. Starling is a natural entertainer and loves to perform for the other Enchantimals. She comes with 2 starfish friends, a vanity with a mirror and a stool, several small accessories like a clamshell compact, a bottle of perfume, makeup brush, and a shell hairbrush. And it is so cute how one of her starfish can hold the makeup brush. Starling has pink hair and wears a starfish headband. She wears a painted top that looks like it has seashells and pearls. And she has a starfish skirt. She wears red coral and starfish shoes and has knees that can bend. Now these 2 dolls have hair that can change colors. Jessa Jellyfish and Marissa like to float on their backs at night and make wishes on falling stars together. She comes with her jellyfish friend, Marissa, an applicator that Marissa can hold, a small fish bowl. She wears a purple jellyfish headband, has blue and green seafoam hair, has a painted top and wears jellyfish on her wrist, and wears a jellyfish skirt with glitter tulle tentacles. And she finishes the look with purple shoes. And when warm water is applied to her hair, it turns seafoam green. Got some nice little highlights there. And to change it back, you just use cold water. Clarita Clownfish and Cackle love exploring the coral reefs and making each other laugh. She comes with Cackle, her clownfish friend, an applicator that Cackle can hold, the same fish bowl. She has orange fins in her gray and pink hair. She wears orange fins on her wrist, has an orange and white painted top, and a glittery skirt with a train in the back. She wears orange shoes with little fins at the heel, and when you apply warm water to her hair, it changes to pink. Now these are water toys, so they can get a little messy. Make sure you play in a protected area. This is fun. We found all of these ladies at Target for $12.99. Ooh, looks like the cupcakes are done. And now all of our new friends can enjoy a treat. I love all of the new characters being added to our Enchantimal world. And we still have a few more that we need to collect. Oh, she's cute. I really like all of their colors and personalities. However, I would like to see a little more articulation. Having knees is awesome. And it would be great if everyone had knees. Ooh, and elbows. Overall, I think this line is adorable, and I can't wait to see more. Let us know which Enchantimal is most like you in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog, and we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.